Callie, and today I wanted to introduce you to my good friend Buckle Bear. Can you say hi? Okay, everybody, so Buckle Bear is going to sing you his favorite song today, and you can clap or wave your hands.
Going round with Buckle Bear, driving here and driving there, going near or going far, everyone buckles up in their car. Driving here and driving there, buckled up and riding with Buckle Bear. Click those seatbelts!
Click your
Those
seatbelts!
seatbelts!
Buckle Bear, thank you so much. I know we're all so happy to have you here today, aren't we?
Well, I'm glad to be here, safe and sound. What a lot of traffic there was today. Whew-wee! I thought I'd never get here. Do you know what traffic sounds like? Thank goodness, my mom is a careful driver. She has to watch out for so many things like stoplights and stop signs, train crossings, crosswalks with people walking. Well, once we even saw a big green snake crossing the street.
A snake?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
we really did. But you know, I got here today in a big car. But I wonder how all of you got here. How many of you came in a car? Raise your paws.
Who rides in a car?
I can count
Yeah.
paws, you know. Did anyone come by boat?
I don't think so.
Did anyone come by train? How about by elephant?
Elephant?
Let's all be elephants and wave our trunks. Ha ha ha. You know, there are lots of ways to go places, but most of the time we ride in cars. And we can help make every ride a safe ride by being a good passenger. And that's why I'm here today, to tell you the best way to ride. Do you know there are still a lot of people, and even bears, that don't know the rules about safe riding? And the rules are very easy. First rule, everyone in the car should be in a seatbelt or safety seat. Rule 2, the back seat is the best seat for small passengers and bears like me. Third rule, seatbelts go over your hips, not your tummy, and they should be nice and snug. I have my very own safety seat. How many of you ride in a safety seat? Let me see those paws.
Raise your hand if you ride in a safety seat.
And how many use a seatbelt? I think you're too big for a safety seat.
I am.
But I bet you use a seatbelt, huh?
I use a seatbelt every time I ride.
I love my safety seat. I can see out the window, and if I get sleepy, I can have a little snooze. Oh, hon. Let's all have a little snooze, huh?
Did he fall asleep? Oh my goodness. Can we say wake up, Buckle Bear? Do it with me. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Buckle Bear. I think we need to be louder. Let's say wake up, Buckle Bear. Wake up, Buckle Bear. Woo!
Excuse me, but wasn't that refreshing? I just remembered. I have a special trick. I can make my seatbelt click. I make it click so the driver will know I'm buckled up and ready to go. Hey, that's a rhyme. Oh, if I weren't a bear, I'd like to be a poet. Remember, when you click that belt, it should be over your hips. I had a terrible time finding my hips. I looked and I looked and I couldn't find them anywhere. I looked under my arm. I looked under my seat. I even looked in my lunchbox. I looked under my feet, but no hips. You know where I found them? Right under my tummy, on top of my legs. Let's learn a rhyme about hips so you won't lose yours. My head is on top. My chest is below. My tummy is next. Where do the belts go? On my hips, my hips, my hips. Hooray! That was great! Now, did you know the back seat is the safest place for kids to be? There's a lot of stuff in the front to bump into, like radios and knobs and things. And my nose is so sensitive. I'll bet yours is too. Ooh, I barely have time to tell you one more very important thing. But maybe you already know how much it helps when you ride quietly in the nicest way. And don't bother the driver, 'cause the driver has to pay attention to the traffic. Well, that's about it for this visit. But will you please do Buckle Bear a very big favor? Ask everyone riding in your car to be a good passenger and buckle up on every ride. Now everyone, clap or wave along while I sing you my going riding song. Bye-bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Going round with Buckle Bear, driving here and driving there, going near or going far, everyone buckles up in the car. Driving here and driving there, buckles up and riding with